Hello, visionaries and game changers. I'm Thamizharasu, your business coach, and today we are diving into a topic that can turn your business aspirations into tangible triumphs. Welcome to our comprehensive exploration of effective budget planning in business. Whether you are steering a startup or managing a multinational, crafting a budget is like charting a map for your financial journey. Let's embark on this adventure together and master the art of precision, foresight, and sustainable growth. Are you ready to transform numbers on a spreadsheet into the blueprint of your business success? Let's get started. 1. Introduction to effective budget planning in business. Imagine setting sail without a compass, charting a course with no stars to guide you. In business, venturing forward without a budget plan is much the same. Effective budget planning is your compass, your North Star, ensuring you don't lose sight of your financial goals. It's about understanding where every penny is going, anticipating future needs, and preparing for the unexpected. Let's delve into the power of a well-crafted budget and how it can be your ally in achieving financial mastery. 2. The importance of budgeting for financial stability and growth. Why budget, you ask? A budget acts as a financial mirror, reflecting your business's operational health, allowing you to make informed decisions, and providing a platform for stability and growth. It's the foundation upon which profitable businesses are built, enabling you to maintain cash flow, minimize waste, and invest in your future. Without it, you are navigating in the dark. 3. Step-by-step guide. How to create a business budget. 1. Gather historical data. Start with the past before you predict the future. Look at your income and expenses from previous years. No previous data? No problem. Industry benchmarks are your next best friend. 2. Estimate revenue. How much cash do you expect to flow in? Be realistic, overestimating can leave you in a tight spot later on. 3. Identify fixed costs. These are your non-negotiables, the bills you pay no matter what. Rent, insurance, and salaries fall into this camp. 4. Forecast variable expenses, costs that ebb and flow with your business activity, like raw materials or freelance support. Keep an eye on these as they can sneak up on you. 5. Predict one-time spends, new equipment or a website overhaul. Slot in those big-ticket items so they don't catch you off guard. 6. Pull it all together. Time to do the math. Subtract your expenses from your revenue to see if you're expecting a profit or a loss. 7. Review and adjust. The first draft is rarely perfect. Review your budget and tweak it. Ensure it's realistic and aligns with your goals. No more financial surprises, just you, steering your business ship like the savvy captain you are. Let's set sail toward success. Sailboat. 4. Understanding different types of budgets, operational versus capital budgeting. Not all budgets are created equal. There are operational budgets for day-to-day expenses and capital budgets for long-term investments. Each serves a unique purpose in the financial ecosystem of your business. Let's compare these two vital players and understand when and how to use them effectively. 5:5. Key components of a successful business budget. A successful business budget isn't just about balancing figures. It comprises several key components: income sources, fixed costs, variable expenses, one-off spends, profit expectations. Blending these 5 components harmoniously will give you a budget that's not only practical but poised for success. 6. Utilizing budgeting software and tools for efficiency. In this digital age, budgeting software and tools are your allies, automating the tedious and minimizing human error. From simple spreadsheets to sophisticated financial platforms, technology offers solutions for every level of budget planning. Let's explore how these tools can streamline your budgeting process and free up your time for strategic thinking. We have to consider following features while we choose software. Integration. The best tools can connect to your bank accounts and sync your transactions. This keeps your budget up to date without manual input. Customization. Every business is unique, so your budgeting tool should allow you to tailor categories and reports to your specific needs. Accessibility. Cloud-based options mean you can check in on your budget anytime, anywhere, perfect for the on-the-go entrepreneur. Collaboration. Budgeting isn't a solo mission. Choose software that lets your team contribute and access necessary information, fostering a collaborative environment. Don't worry if you're not a tech whiz, many of these tools are user-friendly and come with support and tutorials. Plus, they often offer trial periods, so you can take them for a test drive before committing. 7. Common budgeting pitfalls and how to avoid them. Even the best laid plans can face pitfalls. Common budgeting blunders include underestimating costs, overlooking income fluctuations, and neglecting to review and adjust. Awareness is the first step to avoidance. Over-optimism, forgetting the sneaky expenses, neglecting a buffer, set it and forget it, ignores the big picture. By dodging these common budget blunders, you'll be steering your business with more confidence and less, oops, didn't see that coming. Stay sharp, and remember, a little budget savvy goes a long way to keeping those financial seas smooth. Sailboat money bag. 8. How to forecast revenue and manage unpredictable cash flows. Forecasting revenue and managing cash flow can be akin to gazing into a crystal ball. But with the right techniques, it doesn't have to be guesswork. We'll look at how to analyze market trends, past performance, and current data to predict your financial future and keep your cash flowing smoothly. 9. Strategies for adjusting your budget mid-year. Business is dynamic, and so should be your budget. Mid-year adjustments are not a sign of failure but of adaptability. Whether it's due to unexpected opportunities or unforeseen challenges, I'll guide you through the strategies to tweak your budget, ensuring it remains aligned with your business's changing needs. 10. Integrating budget planning with overall business strategy. A budget should not exist in isolation. It needs to be a living part of your overall business strategy, intertwined with your goals and objectives. By integrating budget planning into the very fabric of your business decisions, you create a synergy that propels you towards success. Let's discuss how to achieve this integration and make your budget work for you, not against you. Thank you for joining me on this journey through effective budget planning in business. Remember, a well-crafted budget is your roadmap to financial success. It's a tool that, when used wisely, can lead to incredible growth and stability. If you found value in this video, please subscribe for more insights, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. Until next time, keep charting your course to financial brilliance. This is Thamizharasu, your business coach, signing off.